Okay.
We have a HESS 2017 collection cars over here.
Trucks, not car.
Collection trucks. And I'll show you it. So the first one is a dumper. And I'm going to show you sound. So this is the front, left side, back, and right. So this is a really good car. This pusher one. Oh, it can blink also, this vehicle. Quiet sound. It's a little quiet, the sound. Have a look. Have a look at the back. Here's the next sound. Have a look.
Now go to the little one. The little one.
And that's flashing mode, and that's it. Now we're up to the middle one. Want to see the flashing mode?
What do you do with the little one?
This little mode, it has on and off,
Mm-hmm.
and it has two switch over here.
What is that one for?
Digging. It's supposed to
Southpaw là cái movie mà có một kỳ lạ không?
Alright.
So
Southpaw phải không?
Uh-huh.
Southpaw.
That's correct.
This is supposed to back up, and then this is supposed to move and put all the dirt here, and then it's supposed to take away.
So that's one, it cannot move by itself, you have to push it?
It does.
How? Oh, does it have the light?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
It
Okay.
can even move backward.
Really? I didn't know that. Wow. Yeah.
Have a look. This is the
The
back.
does it have any sound?
No, it doesn't.
It's a quiet one.
But you can do this.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you can do.
Okay, let it go forward. So that's either the latest, right? HESS collection 2017.
And it can do this. And it can it can do this.
Okay, so where do you leave that one? It stay on top of the other one.
It's
How? Show me.
It's supposed to be back.
Can I see you? Just see your
It's
back.
supposed to be backwards like this.
Okay.
That's
And
one
this
package.
is the whole
And that's a
HESS collection, right? From 2002,
Yeah.
2002.
2017.
No. Let's say 2002, 2007, 2002, 2005, 2007,
And 2014.
2014.
Also, the 2014 is a little similar to this one.
Yeah, but it the
But it's own. But
helicopter carrier, right?
yeah. But it's
That's
not
it,
the
David.
mini one.
It's too long. Say bye.
Alright, bye.
Give me a nice smile, okay?